it can just as much experience through darkness as it's through light. I think in one of the podcasts, we even talked about how some of the soul contracts is that you were part of the Council of Light, and you actually chose in one some incarnations to go completely like Darth Vader, like to the darkness, to experience the darkness, and then come back and report back in the next incarnation to the Council of Light. So we sometimes play these really polarized roles. Then again, this is part of the game and polarization game in this universal construct. If you ask me about a different universal construct, it would be a different game. But here it's all about these two sides, the sides of the pole, plus and minus. And then it's like, how does the pole work? Well, let's experience the minus as much as the plus. And then, oh, now I can see the whole picture. Now I get who I am. And I am both, and I'm the void as well. And in the void, I create. I'm as much of a destroyer as the creator of worlds. That's like the phoenix energy. I always talk about it. I had to accept that within myself too, to step into the phoenix, to accept that I destroy worlds just as much as I created them.
What's your experience? Let's talk about your past lives. If something that you'd like to share and remember to the audience, to yourself, what is that you'd like to say, put on a resume of your past lives?
My past lives. Off Earth, on Earth,
Great question. Let's start from on Earth.
on Earth. Well, my first past life that I can remember on Earth was as a high priestess in Saqqara. So that's in temple in Egypt. And we had, so if you go to, I haven't been to Egypt because I'm not allowed yet. The energies are not, because each one of us carries certain light codes. We have certain codes in our signature. And these codes are needed in certain areas to activate the earth grids. And because she's also going through changes, my codes are necessary in some places, not yet in Egypt. Egypt, I feel, is like the last stop when all the other stargates are going to be open.
Right.
That's really been the directive. So, and there's a lot of things happening there, recalibration on its own with the Israel and all. So Saqqara was a very important place. If you go to Saqqara today, it just seems like there's like these massive tombs. There's like a step pyramid.